Hi friends, today in Usha's kitchen I'm going to show how to make very tasty kasi halwa. Let's begin. To make the kasi halwa, I'm going to use half of the pumpkin because I'm making this for my friend's function. So first buy the pumpkin from store and wash with water, and then you have to remove the skin. Okay, remove the skin like this. So, and keep it like little bit bigger pieces so that we can grate this and we can hold it easily. Okay, now grate the whole pumpkin like this. Okay, this is only one portion of my pumpkin and I have to do the remaining here. And if you see that there is more water coming off from the vegetable because it's highly water vegetable, and you can collect those water and use it in while making sambar. Okay, from 3.2 kg of pumpkin, approximately 7.2 lb, I got this much grated pumpkin. So I'm going to show two different way of making it. So half of this I'm going to strain completely in a muslin cloth, and this one I'm going to do a different way. Okay, this one is now almost 540 grams of grated and squeezed pumpkin, and try to remove as much as water possible. Okay, keep a non-stick pan on the stove and let it warm. 3 tablespoons of ghee, and whenever you are making a sweet, always you wash the utensils first thoroughly. Okay, now add the grated pumpkin. We are going to fry this in this ghee and we are going to let it cook, and then we will add sugar. Don't add any water. If it is sticking, add some more ghee. And add another 2 tablespoons of ghee. And don't worry, once we finish cooking, all the ghee will come out, so you can just take it out, all the ghee. Now close with the lid and just stir it in between and make sure the pumpkin is cooked well. Okay, just keep on stirring it. Make sure that it is not burning, but it has to cook properly. If you want, add ghee again. So it has to cook, and it's been 15 minutes, maybe another like 5 to 10 minutes we have to cook. Okay, meanwhile just fry the cashew with a very little ghee and add little bit of cardamom. Okay, now it is cooked really well. Now I'm going to add sugar. So this one is around like 300 to 350 grams. So for 1 cup of grated pumpkin, you need less than half cup of sugar. It is again depends upon your taste level. You can add more or less. Now add little bit of red color. Add pinch of salt, which will enhance the sweetness. Okay, now add little bit of cooking camphor. Just crush it and add it. Okay, now add fried cashew and cardamom powder. Mix well. Okay, it is done now. So switch off the stove and then add only like 1 or 2 drops of lemon juice, which will stop the crystallization of the sugar. So when you store this one, so it won't form like white layer on top of the sweet. So just 1 or 2 drops. That's it. Done. Okay, this one is almost 450 grams of grated and squeezed pumpkin. I got this much water out of that. I'm going to use this water to cook this pumpkin. Okay, keep another pot on the stove and then add the water which is you squeezed out of the pumpkin and let it boil. Now add the pumpkin. Now the pumpkin will suck all the water again and let it cook. Okay, it's been 10 minutes now. Till you can see more water is coming off. So you have to cook until there is no water at all. Okay, it's been 20 minutes now. You can see there is no water at all. So it is 10 minutes less than the other method. Now add sugar, and again for 1 full cup of grated pumpkin we need less than half cup of sugar. For coloring I am using saffron. So just crush saffron and soak it in hot water so it gives nice orange color, and I dissolve little bit of cooking camphor also, so just add that into there. Now add only 1 tablespoon of ghee and cook it until all the sugar get absorbed. Okay, now add the fried cashew and cardamom powder. Okay, in this one I have added only 1 tablespoon of ghee, and now it is cooked well. Now add only 1 or 2 drops of lemon juice and then switch off the stove. 2 different kasi halwa is ready. It's very tasty and very colorful. If you like this recipe, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Enjoy.